shouldn't drink and drive. So if you're going to drink and drive, then you have to pay the price.
Now at 5:30, a tough new proposal for cracking down on DUI offenders is raising a lot of eyebrows. A federal safety board is recommending special ignition devices for all drunk drivers.
The proposal includes even drivers convicted of a first-time DUI. CBS 12's Chuck Weber joins us live with reaction and how this would change our current laws. Chuck.
Liz, already in Florida, when you get second and third DUI convictions, you have to get a so-called ignition interlock device installed in your car, usually for a certain period of time. Now the NTSB wants to go beyond that requirement. When heading out in your car, if you've had a DUI, the National Transportation Safety Board wants you to have to use one of these ignition interlock devices.
I've had clients that have had to have it installed.
Jupiter criminal defense attorney Brian Gabriel, who handles a large volume of DUI cases.
When you're starting the vehicle and at different points in time during it running, it will give signals to the operator that they need to submit a breath sample. They need to blow into a tube.
If the machine registers alcohol, the car shuts down. The convicted pays several $100s to get the device installed, plus a monthly monitoring fee. Gabriel says here ignition devices are required after second and third DUI convictions, and for high alcohol levels with a first offense. The NTSB recommendation would mandate the devices for all DUIs as a way to reduce deadly crashes. Gabriel says he's not convinced.
There are individuals that have been accused of manipulating with the device, of having the somebody else, blow into the car to start it.
You shouldn't drink and drive.
Sarah Barnwald says even if the devices can be manipulated, she backs requiring them.
I mean, if you're going to drink and drive, you're going to find a way. But at least if you make it a little bit harder, people think twice about having to spend the money on the device at least.
Now, the attorney there in our story believes a first DUI carries serious consequences right now. Usually a year probation, $500 fine, court costs of another $500, possible license suspension, and more. But 17 states already have laws requiring the ignition device for all convicted drunk drivers. John?